What's up, guys? Let's discuss some of the TV shows and movies that I watched in the month of August. Okay, let's go. At number 5, we have A Secret Invasion on Disney+. Secret Invasion is played by Samuel L. Jackson, playing the character of Nick Fury. As Nick Fury, uthola ukuthi a race or a species of aliens known as the Skrulls, which are shapeshifters, are trying to invade Umhlaba. And how are they doing this? They're actually shapeshifting to some of the world's most powerful people so that they can make these executive decisions so that the transition can be easy for them to take over the world. Do they succeed? Please watch the show. At number 4, we have The Silo. Well, The Silo is a show that plays on Apple TV Plus, whereby it's based on a not so distant future where Umhlaba, ubeta khona, ubolile, due to global warming and so forth. So it's inhabitable. Abantu abakwazi ukuhlala on the surface, and then they build this underground city abahlala kuyona, where there is a lot of rules that they need to abide by. Okay, so abangawezi lokho, they're not even supposed to be going outside. The only time you go outside is if it's gonna be a punishment. There's a whole lot of mystery going on over there. If you are interested in the show, please watch it. It's on Apple TV Plus. At number 3, we have Meg. Meg is a movie about sharks, Meg 2, just to be precise, played by Jason Statham. If you have watched the first one, Lapo Ela Kona no Shaga, it's more or less the same thing. Okay? It's more or less the same thing. Now it is on a Pubis Beast, which I find it very funny. But anyways, this was also a nice movie. Also, this one, it's a nice movie. I hope maybe in future they are trying to take that direction. It's okay. These superstars have fought enough humans. Let them fight animals now. Maybe it's a lap. Okay. Speaking of Idris Elba again, there is a series on Apple TV. Ektiwa Hijack. Please check that out. It's actually a good series based on ilento storyline say some terrorists and so forth. We plane and kube khona hijackers, and Idris Elba is one of the passengers on that plane. So you need to check that out. It's actually a nice one. Moving forward, let's go to number 2, which is Who is Aaron Carter? Aaron Carter is a show playing on Netflix. I think it came out mid-month of August. I actually binged the whole show in one sitting weekend. It's a 7-episode show. Imnandi iqala ngokuthi Aaron Carter is a teacher. Ngelinye ilanga ehambile eye shop eyothenga, and then these robbers come through bezobamba inkunzi, and then base eyalwa nabo elo nabo, and then she becomes the talk of the town ukuthi hey, Aaron Carter ehamba nengane yakhe esitolo, kwafika abagebengu bezobarobha, and then waseyakwazi ukuthi alwe nabo. But here's the thing, uma seqale sedume sevele emaphepheni asendabeni, a whole lot of things come to light. Like it grabs attention yabanye abantu abathile, and then they are like, oh, ngabe ubalo Aaron Carter lo usukaphi? Please watch the show. It's a very interesting show. And then at number 1 for me in the month of August, it has to be Guardians of the Galaxy. Guardians of the Galaxy takes it for me. It's a good show. It's a good movie. Volume 3 yakhona. I think Guardians of the Galaxy was actually much more better than the previous movies that just came out from Marvel. I'm talking your Thor, I'm talking your Quantumania. Ant-Man. I think le movie lena ibe mnandi mainly because we saw the emotions about it. So the crew is not just saving the galaxy, but now they are fighting for life yomngani wabo uRocket lona suke eRaccoon emfishane. It's a good movie. It's a 2.5-hour movie. These movies are long these days. I mean, gone are the days my movies are 1.5 hours. Now we are going to 2.5 hours or more. And why? I don't know. I don't know why they're making it so long. It's like that other movie, Esaibuga, Justice League, the Zack Snyder edition. The movie was like 4 hours. But you know what? I've watched it like 2 or 3 times. Like, I don't mind the 4 hours. So anyways, this is my top 5 of the shows and movies that I watched in the previous month of August. Take them down, and I highly do recommend them if you want to watch something exciting. They are quite short. They are easily watchable within a few days, 2 days at most. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and like these videos. I would really do appreciate your support. Peace out, people.